Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Can you believe this original and fake studio? Okay, this is the original video that I recorded, but I switched it over to this beautiful looking studio. How did I do it? With my phone and Canva plus CapCut, just that. So open your Canva, make sure your data is on. If you don't have Canva, download it from Google Play Store. Click on this plus button here. When you click on this plus button, it's going to bring out some design templates for you to choose. So I'm going to go ahead and choose YouTube thumbnail. That's the size I want. So once it will open me to the design interface, then just highlight on it and click on replace, and then click on photos. Then you can type on the search bar to type studio to search for something like a studio picture that will show you maybe a recording studio and stuff like that. So once you've done that, it's going to come out. Then you select the particular image that you want. So whether you're using Canva Pro or Canva Free, there are images that you can use. I'm going to go ahead and select this particular one, and once I am done, I'll just click on download. You can generate as many images as you want. It's Canva. You don't even need any other AI apps and signing up and exposing your privacy to do that. Just download this image into your phone, then open CapCut on your phone. If you are using a mobile phone, I'm using a mobile phone to do this now. Open CapCut, then click on new project. First of all, click on pictures, click on photos because you are using phone. Then click on add. If you are using system, that's laptop, you can add picture and video together, but since you are using phone, the first thing you have to add is what? Pictures. Then go to aspect ratio to choose the particular ratio that is going to be. I'm going to choose YouTube because it's YouTube that we are going to do what? Upload the video on. If it's another thing, you can choose that platform. Then click on overlay. Go to the beginning of that video and click on overlay. Then choose that video that you want to import into your background and fake studio. Then just use your hand to zoom it in. Then scroll over the functions and go to remove BG. It's just here in the app. You don't need to go to external remove. You just click on it and click on auto remover. It's going to start removing the background. Once you click on auto remover, you can see the progress here, 3%, 4%, just like that until it gets to 100%. Once it gets to 100%, it will just write background removed for you. Then you just click on this check and continue. So once you are done, you are like 80% done here. You're 80% done. So the remaining thing you can do now is to go over the video from beginning to end and cut out some parts that you don't need. Apart from that, also check if your video and your picture is of the same length. Like you can see now, some parts doesn't have this background, so I will have to use my hand to do what? To draw it till it gets to the length of the video. Alternatively, you can do this from the beginning. If you know the length of your video, maybe it's 5 minutes, so once you import your picture, you drag it to 5 minutes. So it's up to you to do that, whether you've added the picture first or you do it first or you do it after you've added your video. It's all up to you. So once you've done that, you are good to go. So just go over your video and check the parts that you don't need and delete those parts. Then if you want to add some transitions and all of that, but as long as removing picture is concerned, this is all I did. So I did something extra to make my video to glow, and that something extra is to go to adjust. Just click on adjust. As you click on adjust, you'll be able to add saturation, add contrast or reduce contrast, and brighten your video a bit so that it will look more cooler, look as if it's taken with a professional camera. So all these things are so easy to achieve, just by use of your smartphone. Yeah, so guys,
Hi guys.
if you have gotten value so far, kindly support my work by clicking on the subscribe button, like and comment. Have you done so?
Have you subscribed?
Okay, thank you. Let's continue. So just go to adjust and touch some features so that if you were staying in a place that was not well lit, you can increase the saturation and brightness a bit, and your video will come out looking like this. All these things we are just done with my smartphone, Canva, CapCut. That's all, nothing extra. So it's also possible to switch off and switch on. You don't need to wait and keep wasting time saying I don't have money to buy this and that, and your YouTube vision is going. This is 2024, so hit the ground running, and I wish you all the best. Once you are done, just export your video and share to your social media handle. So that's all for now. See you in my next video. Don't forget to scan to subscribe. Bye.